Hello viewers, welcome to Amicable Oral English class lesson 7. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss fricatives, which is the second feature under the manner of articulation. And if you could remember, manner of articulation is still a topic under the features of the consonant sounds. Fricatives, these are consonant sounds which when pronounced, the organs of speech that are in contact with one another produced friction. And this friction produced by these organs of speech is what results to the categorization or grouping these consonant sounds together and regard them as fricatives. Number one among them is the f sound. If you observe, when we pronounce the sound f, there is a coalition between the lower lip and the upper teeth. So this coalition is what results to this friction of the air. F, f. We have the second is the v, v. Number three is the f, the teeth sound, and number four is the the. And number five is the s. Number seven is the number six is the z sound. Number seven is the sh sound. Number eight is the j sound, the lighter one, j. Number nine is the h sound. Let's take it again with examples in words. In words like fresh, v, in words like village, in words like think, and in words like brother, and in words like sink, z in words like zero, and sh in words like sachet, j in words like pleasure, and in words like home. Remember I said the sole objective of these lessons is to inculcate the ability of reading transcription of the English words in the dictionary. So, since we've seen these sounds and we've seen their examples in words, let's try transcribing these words and see if we're really following this lesson attentively. And remember I told you, in transcribing a word, the secrets or the logic behind it is to always pay attention to what you hear, not what you see. What I mean by what you hear, not what you see, is the phonetic sound you hear, not the alphabet or letter you see. This is simply because in transcribing a word, the English alphabets are not guide at all. The English alphabets are mainly used to spell the English words, but in transcribing English words, all you need is to have the mastery of the phonetic sounds, or rather the phonetic symbols. So what you should do, or the logic behind it, is to always pay attention to the phonetic sound you hear, not the letter you see. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Remember, the first thing that differentiates an alphabet and a phonetic sound is the presence of the slanted line. So the first thing you do is to open the slash, and in the word fresh, the first sound we hear or observe is the f sound, followed by the r sound, then followed by the vowel e. So here we have fre. How do you find it? Very simple, right? Then we need the sh. We have fresh. Then you close it. So this is the word fresh. This is the transcription of the word fresh. The second word, so we do the same. Village. The first sound we observe over here is the V sound. V. Then the short vowel E. V. L. Short vowel E. So here we have villi. Villi. With the J, the heavy J sound. So here we have the transcription of the word village. This is one of the most mispronounced words, as we pronounce it wrongly as village or village, but the correct pronunciation of the word is village. Number 3 is the think, the word think. The first sound we hear is the th sound. E, the short E sound. You have the ng and the k sound. So this is think. This is also one of the wrongly pronounced words, as we mispronounce the word as think with t or sing with s. But the correct pronunciation is think. Here. Brother. Brother. This is also one of the mispronounced words, most mispronounced words, especially in this part of the world, as we mispronounce words as brother or brother, but the correct pronunciation of the word is brother, brother. So the first sound we observe here is the B sound, the R sound, the A sound, short A sound, the V sound, and the A shua. So here we have brother. Brother is as simple as that. Brother. It is even more soothing to the ear than brother or brother. Sink. The first sound we observe here is the S sound, short E sound, ng and k. Sink. Sink. So this is the sink. We often mispronounced these words with, or we misquote, or rather interchange this word think with. This is sink. When you say sink, this is the word you are referring to, not the word think. So always take note of the first sound in each of these words. Zero. Zero. Z. E. The ear. This is a diphthong. Ear. Z. Ear. And R. Also have the diphthong O. So this is the word zero, not zero or zero as we mispronounced the word. This is sachet. Sachet. Not sachets as we mispronounce the word, but sachet. S. The R sound, sa, sh, and lastly the diphthong A. So we have sachet. The T is silent, it is a silent letter. So we pronounce the word sachet. Pleasure. Pleasure. In pleasure we have the P sound followed by the L. Ple. The S sound, short S sound, and J, the light J sound, and the A shua. So we have pleasure, pleasure. The last word, home, home. Have the H sound, O sound, O, the diphthong O, and M. So we have home. So viewers, these are the fricatives, the 9 fricatives, which is a feature under the manner of articulation. And remember we said the word manner explains the question how. So manner of articulation is simply how these phonetic sounds are pronounced or produced. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't also forget to share to learned colleagues, family and friends. Follow me in the subsequent videos for more exciting and educative lessons on pronunciation practice. I'm saying goodbye. Do have a nice day. Thank you.